Atherosclerosis occurs when fatty deposits accumulate along artery walls. You may have heard the condition referred to as clogged arteries or hardening of the arteries. This causes the arteries to narrow and restricts blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body. Today, we'll be talking about the spices to cleanse your arteries. Unfortunately, sometimes our diet and lifestyle choices can cause arteries to become clogged, which increases the likelihood of a heart attack or a stroke. There are definitely foods that many of us eat that can increase the likelihood of a blockage. With that said, thankfully, Mother Nature has provided us with some amazing natural herbs that may actually help prevent them from becoming clogged over time. Ginger. It is a flowering plant that is widely used not only for cooking but also for medicinal purposes around the world. It is used to treat nausea, indigestion, and infections. Most people are unaware that it can also help the heart. Stress-induced oxidative damage is reduced by ginger's bioactive components and antioxidants, which lower blood pressure and minimize heart disease risk factors in type 2 diabetics. It also reduces cholesterol, which is related to a lower risk of heart disease. Camellia sinensis. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which experts think provide numerous health benefits, including your heart and blood vessels. One study found that green tea drinkers had a 20% lower risk of heart disease or stroke. They were also 22% less likely to die of heart disease. Cinnamon. Another herb that can benefit the cardiovascular system. It's been used medicinally for centuries in the Caribbean, South America, and Southeast Asia. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. A half teaspoon of cinnamon per day may lower blood sugar, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. It's also healthy for your arteries and heart. Aruna ristaff. A combination of several different herbs, this has traditionally been used as a natural treatment for heart-related issues. In addition to reducing cholesterol and triglyceride levels, its properties have been shown to lower blood pressure levels, as stated previously. These are the three key risk factors for heart disease. It also contains antioxidant properties which can limit the free radicals that are linked to chronic cardiovascular conditions. Hawthorn berry. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat high blood pressure due to its vasodilator effects. Hawthorn has also been shown to decrease the fats found in the blood such as cholesterol and triglycerides, which reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Less fat in your blood equates to less plaque buildup in your arteries, so that oxygenated blood can flow freely to other parts of the body. Rosemary. It's an herb that is native to the Mediterranean region and is touted for many different health benefits. When it comes to the cardiovascular system, rosemary has actually been shown to lower blood sugar levels. Its compounds work to increase the absorption of glucose in your muscle cells, which decreases the amount that is absorbed in the blood. This can be beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes and other risk factors of heart disease. White willow bark. It has similar effects to aspirin when it comes to treating pain and reducing inflammation. Aspirin works as an anticoagulant or blood thinner and prevents platelets in your arteries from clumping together, lowering the risk of a blood clot and lowering the risk of a heart attack or stroke. More research is needed when it comes to the comparison of willow bark to aspirin, but as always, be sure to speak with your doctor first before taking any new supplements or herbal remedies, because they will know more about your individual condition. Parsley. It's an herb that is loaded with beneficial vitamins and nutrients that may actually work to improve your heart health. It's especially high in folate, which has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease in certain populations. Researchers believe that folate decreases levels of homocysteine in your blood, which is an amino acid that has been linked to a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. And parsley is a tasty spice that can be easily incorporated into your diet. Turmeric. It wasn't until recently that medical experts discovered its positive health benefits. It contains antioxidants that work to prevent fatty deposits from developing in your arteries. It contains anti-inflammatory properties as well that work to prevent the arteries from hardening over time. Ginseng. An herb loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that offers several different benefits for your body systems. It's often known for enhancing cognitive functioning, but many don't realize that it can positively affect the cardiovascular system as well. Studies found that ginseng can lower blood sugar levels by improving pancreatic cell functionality and enhancing the uptake of glucose in body tissues. Keeping your blood sugar levels in check is helpful for those with diabetes and reduces the risk of a heart attack or stroke real quick. So, this brings us to the conclusion of today's video. Let us know what you liked about the spices for a healthy heart every day in the comments below. Till then, hope to see you in another video.